This is a bead stop right here, and there are two. There's one on the inside, one on the outside, and the one on the outside is somewhere here, I promise. I don't know where it is right now, but I know it's here. You can tell this moves very smoothly. This mechanism that Blindster has for their blinds moves very smoothly, and I can tell you that the 80-inch and the 101-inch also moves just as smoothly when you raise and lower the blinds. Here are the two ones, the two little stops. There's one and there's two. The problem is getting these little beads off. They are cute little things, but you can tell, see if I can focus in on that, that it wraps around one of the beads of the chain. You would think you could bend the chain and pry it off. Yeah, sort of. But what I found, my husband and I found, is we've used this dental tool. This has a crooked end, kind of a twisted crooked end, and then it has a hook on the other end. It has a little grip on it, and basically this is what we call the dental tool. Now I'm not going to be able to pry this while I'm on the video, but I'm going to take this little crooked end, as you can see, and basically get inside that groove and pop it out. The thing is, when it pops, it's going to fly across the room, and it's going to take me a while to find it. Blindster, if they could do something about this stop situation, that would be great. I mean, it's nice that it's nice and tight, but the problem is when you have to move it so that you can have it stop in the proper place to lower and raise the blinds. But that's another story for another time. So here I go trying it, and I'll show you how it worked.